Hello everyone, I am Radha Divedi, mentor from Advanced Academy family. So children, I am back with my new topic and today we are going to understand about working people. People need money to lead a comfortable life. For that, they have to earn their living. So, before I start my lesson, let me ask you one riddle. I buzz and buzz. I draw nectar from flowers and make sweet honey. They call me busy. So who can give me answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, they are called bees.
Wow, excellent. So, today we are going to understand about different people, those who are helping us. So, can you give me few examples, those who are helping us?
Farmers, doctors, nurse, reporter and artist.
Okay, thank you so much. So, there are people, those who are working us in different areas. First word which you can see on my screen is occupation. Do we need money on regular basis?
Yes.
Can we live without money?
No.
Can you purchase chocolate without money?
No.
So what is very important in our life?
Ma'am, the thing which is important in our life is money.
Shabash, very good. So people need money to lead a comfortable life. For that, they have to earn their living. When we look around, we find people involved in some occupation or the other. When a person is involved in a particular activity daily, it is called occupation. It enables them to carry everything. It enables them to earn money on a regular basis. For example, doctors treat patients, lawyers provide legal services, workers work in offices or factories, teachers teach in the school. So children, this was about occupation. Now, let us understand something about professional work. Professional work. People do some jobs with the aim of earning money. For example, a farmer grows crops to sell them. A person works in an office to earn money. A businessman earns profit by buying or selling goods. Now, have you ever heard about social work?
Yes.
Have you ever seen people helping others?
Yes.
Okay, do you know Mother Teresa?
Yes, ma'am.
She was a social worker?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, she was a social worker. She likes to help people, children. Some jobs are done to help the poor and needy. So social work means people, those who are working to help others. Okay. Social workers do voluntary work while some do social work through non-profit organizations and get paid. So social work means when you are helping some people. Now, work for love and satisfaction. For example, I love to cook food. So if I love to cook food, so how you will feel? Do you feel happy or bad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Bad.
You will feel?
Bad.
Why you will feel bad?
Ma'am, because if you will teach, so you will be nice teacher.
Okay, fine. So some jobs are done with the aim of getting satisfaction and happiness. For example, I love cooking food. Okay, I love to do this. I love to teach children. So I don't want to earn money, but I love to teach children. Okay, I love to cook food. I love to do gardening. Okay, so what is all this? The work which we do to get satisfaction and happiness. Okay, that is different kind of work. And for that, we are not getting any money. That is only for our satisfaction. Now, moving ahead with another part is that skilled and semi-skilled work. There are some kinds of work that requires people to undergo special training in professional institutes. The education is provided by experts in that field. Acha, tell me, can you become a doctor without getting education?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can you become an engineer without getting proper training?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So for that, what is required? We need professional training for that. So the teachers, the educators, those who are very good and those who are expert, they give us training. So, for example, doctors, chartered accountants, lawyers, architects, engineers, actors are all engaged in jobs that come under skilled work. So, skilled work means in which we need some professional training from our experts. One cannot take up any of these professions without special training. Can you become a doctor without taking a training?
No, ma'am.
No, we cannot. Can you become an actor without getting a training?
No, ma'am.
No, it's not possible. So a work which requires special training is known as skilled work. Now, moving ahead to some semi-skilled work. Some jobs require skills to be learned. The training for these jobs is provided in polytechnics and other institutes. These jobs help people to earn money. For example, people like mechanics, tailors, drivers, computer operators, fashion designers, beauticians are all semi-skilled. Their work comes under semi-skilled work. So, there are some people, those who are semi-skilled, and there are some people, those who are skilled. Some jobs do not require any kind of training or education. The children learn it from their parents, and this goes on in the family. These jobs are unskilled. For example, work of potters, weavers, sweeper, milkman, vendors, maids, cobblers and gardeners. They do not require any kind of skill. They do not require any kind of proper training. Okay. Now, the last but not the least, women at work. You know, nowadays women are also working in the society. So, in India, in the past, most little girls in the rural areas were not allowed to go to school and study. Women had to stay home and do household work. They could not hold jobs and earn money. Today, the society has changed. Girls have a right to education. People have realized that in a family, both men and women need to earn. So, women are educated and taking up jobs in the field such as medicine, army, engineering, politics and aeronautics, which were considered only for men before. But nowadays in our country, in all over the world, women are working in different fields. So, I think we all are proud that women are also working.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, men too are taking up jobs which were considered only for women. Now you see, nowadays if we will see that there are men, those who are working as a chef, those who are working as beautician, okay, those who are working as tailor. So why they have selected that profession? Because they are interested in that, because maybe that is their choice or maybe that is their interest. So it is not like that only men can do in the work in the offices, or only women can cook food. No, now everyone is equal and they can do any job. Men too are taking up jobs which were considered only for women. They are becoming chef, beauty experts, hairstylists and fashion designers. There are no such jobs which are particular to men or women. So I hope, children, that you all understood this lesson, and it is very much clear to you that everyone is equal in the society and everyone has the right to do any kind of job. So I request you to read your lesson thoroughly and just remember all the important words. Okay, till then, bye bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.